Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is June 3rd, 2025, and we're diving into NIO's first quarter financial results for 2025. Joining us is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. NIO, a leader in the smart electric vehicle market, has just released its Q1 2025 financial results, and there's a lot to unpack.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the revenue figures. NIO reported total revenues of $1.66 billion for Q1 2025, which is a 21.5% increase from the same quarter last year. John, what are your thoughts on this growth?
The revenue growth is quite impressive, especially considering the challenging market conditions. The increase is primarily driven by a 40.1% year-over-year rise in vehicle deliveries, which boosted vehicle sales to $1.37 billion. However, it's worth noting that the revenue decreased by 38.9% from the previous quarter, largely due to seasonal factors.
And how about profitability?
NIO's gross profit increased by 88.5% year-over-year to $126.7 million, with a gross margin of 7.6%. This improvement is attributed to higher sales from parts and services, as well as a better vehicle margin, which rose to 10.2%.
EPS forecast and analyst expectations. Analysts had forecasted an EPS of 22 cents for NIO, but the actual adjusted EPS came in at 41 cents. What does this tell us, John?
This indicates that NIO's performance was below expectations. The larger-than-expected loss can be attributed to increased operating expenses and a challenging competitive environment. Despite the revenue growth, the company is still facing significant cost pressures, which impacted their bottom line.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. Let's talk about operational efficiencies. NIO reported an operating loss of $884.4 million and a net loss of $930.2 million. How is the company planning to address these challenges?
NIO is implementing cost control measures, including organizational restructuring and efficiency improvements in R&D and supply chain. They have a solid cash reserve of $3.6 billion, which provides some cushion. Looking ahead, NIO expects to deliver between 72,000 and 75,000 vehicles in Q2, indicating a positive outlook for the rest of the year.
And CFO insights. What insights did NIO's leadership provide in their statements?
CEO William Bin Li highlighted the strong year-over-year increase in vehicle deliveries and the successful launch of new products like the ET9 and Firefly. He emphasized the company's focus on technological innovation, including advancements in smart driving chips and operating systems. CFO Stanley Yu mentioned ongoing cost control measures and the aim to improve operational performance starting from Q2.
Key takeaways. In summary, NIO has shown strong revenue growth and is making strides in technological innovation, but it faces challenges with profitability. The company's focus on cost control and new product launches could drive future growth. Thank you for joining us, John.
Thank you. It's been a pleasure discussing NIO's performance.
Thank you for watching Smart Stock Watch. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more financial insights. We'd love to hear your thoughts on NIO's performance in the comments below.